In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking link for scheduling appointments with Google Calendar. Let's dive right in and begin by navigating to Google Calendar. You can either type Google Calendar in your browser's search bar and hit enter, or enter the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you should see an option to sign in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. If you already use Google services, simply select your account from the list or enter your email and password to log in. With access to your Google Calendar, it's time to create an appointment schedule. Look for the plus create button on the left side of your screen and give it a click. This is where you'll start setting up your appointment slots. Upon clicking, you should see an option to specifically create an appointment schedule. Click on that to proceed. Now let's enter the details for your appointments. In this section, you can name the appointments and indicate the duration you want each slot to be. For instance, if you're offering 30-minute consultation calls, you'd set the schedule duration accordingly. Once you have entered these basic details, think about your general availability. Do you want these appointments to occur on specific days or at particular times? Set this up by clicking on General Availability. From there, you can select the days and the specific time ranges you're free. You might find it helpful to choose the Repeat Weekly option. It's a great time saver to automatically roll over your availability week after week, minimizing the need to update your schedule constantly. Moving on, it's important to ensure your appointments are correctly adjusted to your time zone. So, double check and set your time zone correctly to avoid any confusion later on. As you continue, click on the scheduling window to adjust the parameters to fit your needs. This includes specifying how far in advance someone can book an appointment or how last minute they can schedule something. It's all about creating a schedule that not only works for your external commitments, but also aligns with your personal comfort and availability. Still on the path of customization, click on Calendars and then on Booked Appointment Settings. Here you can adjust calendars to further configure specifics about how and where your bookings will appear. With your settings in place, click Next. Personalizing your booking page is the next step. Click on Booking Page Photo and Name to add a photo and any additional information you think is necessary to provide a welcoming and informative space for your visitors. Finally, head to the booking form section. If there are any additional items you need to add for the booking process, like specific information you require from the people scheduling appointments with you, add them here. Lastly, click on Booking Confirmations and Reminders to configure how and when reminders should be sent out regarding appointments. When all this setup is done, click Save. Once you finish creating your booking link, click on Copy Link, and then you can send it to recipients, allowing them to book appointments directly through the link you have prepared. Now you're equipped with a fully functional